Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. Today I'm going to be cooking something really special and dear to my heart. Now this is from a little booklet that my husband Jaco received at work many years ago. And with time the booklet fell apart and I cut out my most favorite recipe in that little booklet. And that is a creamy Italian lemon pepper tuna fettuccine. That's a mouthful. But this is one of my most favorite recipes to make, and I always make it for special occasions like for Valentine's or for any special occasion, a birthday. That makes a very delicious meal. That's something different and we all love it. So this is one of my favorite recipes to make. And today I'm going to share it with you. All of us has those favorite recipes we really love to make and always turn back to. So I do that all the time and I save so many recipes in a folder in my kitchen that I can always go back and make it again and again because it's family favorites. So let's get cooking. These are the ingredients you are going to need. I will link the full recipe in the description box down below. In a large pot, bring water and salt to a boil, and you're going to cook 2/3 of a pack of fettuccine pasta. Cook up 2/3 of a pack of fettuccine pasta inside a large pot with water and salt according to the directions on the packet. After cooking, drain the pasta and put it aside. Take a medium onion, cut it in half and slice it into thin slices. Just separate it into thin pieces. Separate the slices. Cut the ends off of a medium-sized courgette and grate it up. In a large saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put it on medium heat. Saute your sliced onion. about a minute or two. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Saute that for about 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian herb. And saute that through until nice and fragrant. Add a cup of cooking cream to the pan. Bring the cooking cream to a boil. Add the lemon pepper tuna to the sauce. Stir the tuna into the sauce. Until it's well incorporated. Add the grated courgette. Cook until the courgette is tender and the sauce has become thick and creamy. Add the fettuccine to the cream sauce and leave it on the heat for about a minute to allow the pasta to absorb some of the flavor. Season to taste if you choose. This was a very delicious meal and we all enjoyed it very much. Thank you for watching my video today and cooking with me and making this beautiful dish. I hope you enjoy it for you and your family and make it a family favorite just like we did. So guys, this is all I've got for you today, and as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.